Hey everyone, Paul from TechZenik here. In this lesson of Python, we'll be learning about comparison operators. Comparison operators compare two data types or values to one another and return a Boolean value, so true or false. These are essential to programming as it allows various decisions to be made by the program based on the programmer's constraints. In this exercise, we'll be comparing two number values together. So I'm going to define two variables here, a equal to 7 and b equal to 3. The first comparison operator we're going to learn today is greater than. The greater than symbol is this symbol right here. If we want to compare if the number a is greater than b, we can write a greater than b and if we run this piece of code, our console will say a is greater than b, true. 7 is greater than 3. Next comparison operator is less than. If we want to compare if a is less than b, or if 7 is less than 3, we get false, because 7 is greater than b, it can't be less than. Next operator is greater than or equal to. To use this operator, we use the greater than symbol followed by an equal sign. If we want to check if the number 7 is greater than or equal, If we want to check if the number 7 is greater or equal to a, we get true, because 7 is equal to 7. We can also check if a number bigger than 7 is greater than a. So if 8 is greater than or equal to a, or if 8 is greater than or equal to 7, that's also true. The next operator is less than or equal. We use the less than symbol followed by the equal sign. If we want to check if the number 1 is less than or equal to b, we get true. We can also check if, let's say, a is less than or equal to b. Is 7 less than or equal to 3? The answer is false. No. 7 is greater than b. It can't be less than or equal to b. The next operator is double equal. Double equal compares two values together to check if they are the same. For instance, we can check if 7 is equal to a, we get true, because a is also equal to 7. We can also check if a is equal to b, This returns false because A is 7, B is 3. They are not the same. The final comparison operator we're going to learn today is not equal. Similar to double equal, this compares two values together and will return true if the two values are different and false if the two values are the same. For instance, in our previous example, we'll compare 7. Is it not equal to A? We get false because 7 and A are both 7. Therefore they're equal, but since we're comparing if they're not equal, we get false. Now we can compare if A is not equal to B. We get true because 7 and 3 are different values. Thank you for listening. See you guys in the next lesson.